In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the interface language in Affinity Designer. Whether you're a new or seasoned user, setting the interface to a language you're comfortable with can greatly enhance your working experience. So, let's make this adjustment together with a clear, step-by-step guide. To start off, open Affinity Designer on your computer. Depending on your operating system, there might be slight variations in how things look, but don't worry, I'll walk you through both Windows and Mac OS. Once the application is up and running, we're going to head over to the Preferences section. On Windows, you'll find this by clicking on Edit in the top menu bar and then selecting Preferences from the drop-down menu. If you're using a Mac OS, it's just a little different. Simply click on Affinity Designer in the menu bar at the top of your screen and then choose Preferences. Now that we have the Preferences window open, you'll want to navigate to the General tab. This might be labeled slightly differently in other languages, such as General in French or Allgemein in German, but it should be one of the first options you see. Feel free to take your time here. No need to rush. This is where we make the magic happen. Once you're in the General section, you're looking for a drop-down menu labeled Language. Depending on the language your interface is currently set to, you might see this as Lang or Sprache. Click on the drop-down. You should see a list of available languages. This is where you can select the language you prefer, whether it's the one you're most accustomed to or perhaps a new one you're trying to learn. Don't worry if you change your mind later. You can always switch it again. After choosing your desired language, the important thing to remember is that you'll most likely need to restart Affinity Designer for the changes to take full effect. This means closing the program completely and then reopening it. When you launch it again, it should now display in the language that you selected. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the interface language in Affinity Designer. It's a small adjustment, but one that can significantly impact your user experience by making the interface more intuitive and accessible. If you have any questions or run into any issues, remember that you can always reach out to the community or support for additional guidance. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful for you. Happy designing, and see you in the next video.